And next, moving on, we're going to move to digital smelter. And this one will be presented by Dr. Beate Fankhänel. Beate is a research associate at the Institute of Nonferrous Metallurgy and Purist Materials at the Technische University Bergakademie Freiberg. She studied materials science and has been working in the field of pyrometallurgy for several years now. So Beate, the floor is yours.
Thank you very much, Julia. I am happy to present you something about the second pilot site here at Freiberg University. I'm talking about the development of a digital smelter, and this smelter is situated at the Institute of Nonferrous Metallurgy at Freiberg University.
So the first one will be where does the solution presented in pilot 1.2 will impact more. So we have to choose from environment, operations, efficiency, and governance. So which one of those will be impacted the most? What are your thoughts about that? And in just a couple of minutes, and Beate, could you please elaborate on the answers? As you can see, our audience said that the highest impact would be on efficiency, then operations, then environment, and at the very last point, the governance. What do you think about the answers? And could you elaborate how can it contribute the solution in efficiency, operations, environment, and also the governance? Please.
Yes, I think our audience sees it very well. The most impact we will have of the efficiency for recovering metal, and of course on the operation of metal processes, and with that we can improve the environment, of course. Maybe we have a better control of the off gas, that would be good for the environment, and we can save energy because when we have a better metal recovery, we don't need an extra process to remelt it, for instance. And yes, the impact on the governments is connected, I think, with the improvement of the environment, but it's not at first stage. Yeah.
Thank you so much. Let's move on to the next question from our Mentimeter. So now I would ask our audience to also rank those five areas from the most at risk to the least at risk in terms of implementing pilot 1.2 solution. As we can see, the answers differ a bit from the pilot 1.1. So at the first point, we have finance. So that might be the most at risk when implementing 1.2 solution. So Beate, what do you think about that?
Yes, I think it's absolutely right, because you have to take some money to implement this new sensor technique. And then you have the risk that the sensors have to operate properly, of course. Yes. And this is, I absolutely understand that finance and operations are the highest risk in this here. Yes, we have to check how the new sensors will work. And we are happy to get some money from the European Union to try this. And then, yes, hopefully we can lower the financial risk for the end users. Mm-hmm.
So at the very last, the fifth on the list is compliance with legislation. Is that correct? Is it the lowest at risk? Combining
Yes, I think so, because the rules are, I think they are fine with having the new sensors, having this. There should be no risk, I think, yeah.
Okay. Thank you so much, Beate. And remember, everyone, that you will have also a chance to discuss further with our experts during the open discussion. So at the very, very end of our today's workshop. So thank you so much for the presentation, Beate. Thank you
Thank
for
you.
this insights regarding the digital smelter.